Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In the last video we know about YouTube analytics, but in this video I'm going to talk about YouTube advanced analytics. So without wasting your time, let's start this video. So I'm going to open my browser and you can see the analytics option. From here we need to go advanced mode. In advanced option you can see the more option is available than the analytics. From here you can see content, you see the line chart in here. So if I click on this one and I convert this into line chart to bar chart, then you can easily understand about your video growth. Now you can see this one, this one, this one and this one. So you can easily understand which video is performing well, and you can see the views also. If I scroll down a little bit, you can see my views, watch time, hours, subscriber and impression click through rate. All you can see in here. So now I'm go in my traffic source. My main traffic source are browse feature, then YouTube search, then external such video and direct or unknown. From here you can also change this to line chart, but I'm going to use bar chart. You can change this to traffic source to watch time, average view duration, impression. So I'm going to click this. Now I'm select geography. You can see my geography. First is United States and second is India, third is United Kingdom and fifth is Canada. And you can see how much watch time I gain from here. In cities you can see which city see your video. So first one is Bengaluru, India, then Laos, Niger, Hyderabad, India, Chennai, India and Nairobi, Kenya, London, UK, New York, USA. So this is are my top city. Now I am go in viewer age. In viewer age my maximum viewer are 30 to 70 years, then 40 to 24 years. So that's how you can know what is your viewer age actually. It can help you to create those type of video. So maximum viewer are younger age. So maximum viewer are young. Now I'm click on gender. In gender, female are 50% and male are 84%. In date you can see my views. Each date how many views I get. Now in revenue source you can see the main revenue source is YouTube Premium. In subscription status, so you can see the not subscriber are more than subscriber. Not subscriber views is 56,000 and subscriber only 4,000. In subscription source you can see YouTube watch page and YouTube search, your YouTube channel or interactive features, and what type of content I make. You can see all of this, the videos and shorts. I actually make videos, not short videos. That's why you can see more videos view in my channel. In playlist you can see views from playlist. So it's actually show me data is still processing, please check back later. So that's why I cannot show you the right data this time. So I'm click on more and you can see the device type, ad type, transaction type, YouTube product, playback location. If I click on the first one, device type, which device they use to see my video. The first one is computer, then mobile phone, then TV, then tablet. You can click on more and learn what is this all stuff are. If I click on operating system, then you can see the first one is Android, Windows, iOS. So in this way you can learn your YouTube analytics and you can use your analytics data for more work. In future with this data you can make a important decision for your channel. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.